ago in a town called Nazareth, there lived two people called Mary and Joseph. Mary was special because God had chosen her to be the mother of his son Jesus.
You are the chosen one. Soon you will have a baby boy. He will be a son of God, and you must call him Jesus.
Herod, the ruler of the land, gave an order that all people must return to the place they were born to pay a special tax. Joseph was worried. He was born in a place called Bethlehem, which is where him and Mary must travel to. Bethlehem on a donkey with Joseph. Walking by her side, it was a very long, dangerous journey. It took many days to reach Bethlehem. They struggled to find a place to stay. Every inn was full. Let's go and see if they have room for us.
No, I'm full.
No, I'm full.
You didn't take my table.
During the night, Mary gave birth to Jesus. A bright light was shining out of the sky, and people were confused. The light was an angel sent by God.
Do not be afraid. I have a good news. The Son of God has been born. You will find the baby of Jesus in Bethlehem.
Well, Joseph. 3 wise kings who studied the stars knew this meant the king had been born. The 3 wise men decided to go and find the baby.
I come in to see the new King of Jews.
The wise men followed the star to the stable in Bethlehem. They found Jesus lying in a manger. They gave him gifts of gold, frankincense, and myrrh.
I give you the gift of gold.
I give you the gift of frankincense.
I give you the gift of myrrh.
All through the night, local people visited the baby with small gifts and presents.